The Chicagoland Tomato Salad Index runs at 1049, with the ingredients being tomatoes, cucumber, garlic, mozzarella cheese, and basil. This dish is a solid lunch for 4 people, making out to be $2.61 a person. If you're like me and you find yourself throwing away half bottles of salad dressing all the time, here's a quick way to make vinaigrette just for your next meal. A vinaigrette is pretty much just an acid from vinegar or citrus plus oil and whatever you want to flavor the whole thing. And just whisk it up and you're done. You can just look in your pantry, see what kind of combinations that you think strikes your fancy, and all of a sudden you have a plethora of different salads at your disposal and you're not throwing away a bunch of stuff. If you ever find yourself putting together some crazy combination, let me know.